Lollipop Chainsaw is a 2012 hack-and-slash video game developed by Grasshopper Manufacture for the PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360 video game consoles. It features Juliet Starling, a cheerleader zombie hunter fighting zombies in a fictional California high school. A collaboration between game designer Suda51 and filmmaker James Gunn, Lollipop Chainsaw was published by Kadokawa in Japan and Warner Bros. In all other territories and was released in June 2012. In July 2022, Kadokawa Games' successor Dragami Games announced a remake of Lollipop Chainsaw set to launch sometime in 2023. Lollipop Chainsaw is a hack-and-slash video game in which players play as Juliet as she fights through hordes of zombies. Juliet can use melee attacks, dodges and high and low attacks with her chainsaw. Zombies can be beaten into a groggy state, during which they can instantly be killed with a chainsaw attack. Gold medals can be earned by defeating zombies, smashing objects, and rescuing classmates. These medals can be spent at shop.zom stores found throughout each level, where Juliet can purchase new moves and combos, as well as items that can increase her stats. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.